and I am really happy to be here. I work with Build Group. You may know us. We're a 20-year privately owned Bay Area builder. We have done incredible projects working with Berkeley and our great developers and partners on projects like the Helen Diller, the Anchor House on campus. That dorm is a lot nicer than mine when I was in college. We are excited about, well, we also did Equinox and some work at Maxwell Field, the parking structure, and we've got a big project coming up called the Hub Project Center in Oxford. It's going to be the largest high-rise, keeping our fingers crossed for apartments. So thrilled to be here and here with this incredible panel. I'll move it to Alan.
Thank you very much. My name is Alan Dones. I'm the managing partner of Strategic Urban Development Alliance. We're a development firm that right now primarily is involved in public-private partnership, developments on public lands, transit-oriented development. Our three major projects are on transit, I should say four. And also from the area, I've been 7.2 decades here in Berkeley. And I think I was brought home to our home on Alcatraz. And so it's really an honor also to be building the Ashby BART Station project. And we're looking forward to trying to make sure that we raise the bar in terms of how you get things built and how you do it in a way that's inclusive and equitable. So, yeah.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Liz Redman Cleveland with the City of Berkeley's Office of Economic Development. And in addition to my role there, I manage a public-private academic partnership we have with UC Berkeley, the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, our Downtown Berkeley Association, which represents all the property owners in the downtown Berkeley area, and then the Berkeley Chamber of Commerce. And that partnership is called the Berkeley Startup Cluster. It's been focused on making it so the innovations that are happening in Berkeley, California, not only change the world in a positive way, but also contribute back to our local community. And so happy to speak today both about the trends in our economy and specifically our work to support the innovation ecosystem locally.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you. My name is Nhan Nguyen. I'm the CEO and founder of Valiance Capital. We are a vertically integrated real estate investment firm based in Berkeley. We're one of the largest owner-operators of student housing, about 1,500 beds in Berkeley. Been in Berkeley for not 7.5 decades, but 7.2, but the last 20 years went to Cal, so go Bears.
Good morning, I'm Mona Lovgreen. I'm an architect and urban design partner at DIALOG, a multidisciplinary integrated practice with offices across North America. I'm also working on a lot of large-scale mixed-use transit-oriented development, including the one on Ashby with Alan, and a broader team. And actually we have a lot of our team members here. I'm going to give some shout out to Ed McFarlane, yes, Duffy, Ronnie Turner, and I saw Joey Way here as well. So we're kind of excited about that project. I also teach urban design at the graduate school at the UC Berkeley, and really excited to be here with you today talking about the future of Berkeley.
I didn't know that. That's interesting. My name is Patrick Kennedy. I'm an owner of Panoramic Interests. I've been developing in Berkeley for 3 decades, and in fact, seeing all these familiar faces here reminds me of a 25th high school reunion. It's great to see everybody. We have several projects going in Berkeley right now, and I am quite bullish on Berkeley's prospects. I think it's better. I think its prospects now are better than any time in the last 40 years, or maybe longer, actually. So, happy to be here.
Great, let's get this started. So, first question, what is your overall read on Berkeley's real estate market right now? And how does it compare with the broader Bay Area? In addition, how can we talk about what asset classes are showing the most momentum today? And which ones are still facing headwinds? Maybe Patrick, I can start with you.
I just got. Could you start with someone else?
Sure.
I just gotta turn off my phone.
Okay, Liz, I think you're probably a good spokesperson for this question.
Sure. So I know we've been focused a lot on housing this morning, and in the Office of Economic Development, we're a bit more focused on the business, commercial real estate side of things. So I'll give you a bit of the perspective on that, and then leave it to some of my colleagues here to talk about the housing market. But I think we have seen a lot of rebound since the pandemic. We have a lot of opportunity in Berkeley. It was mentioned earlier by our mayor. We really support a diversified economy. So we've seen huge gains in the type of real estate that's available for R&D, life science, wet lab type space. But in addition to the housing and those cranes that you're seeing in the downtown, we've seen a lot of comeback in the downtown, at least the higher quality office spaces getting